Welcome to Cambis School of Business and Motivation. On this channel, we talk about business, we talk about success, and we talk about motivation. We share knowledge. So if you are new to this channel, please slash the subscribe button to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that anytime we release a video, you'll be the first person to be served. So keep watching.
Bien, pour nos amis francophones, je l'ai déjà dit dans une de mes vidéos, afin de réduire la durée des vidéos, vous verrez la traduction plutôt. Je ne vais plus faire une traduction de ce que j'ai dit en anglais, peut-être vers la fin de la vidéo, mais plutôt vous verrez une traduction de la vidéo sur la vidéo, c'est-à-dire que sous la vidéo, il suffit d'activer votre CC Closed Captions, sous-titre à côté du paramètre ici. Par exemple, quand j'appuie ici, voilà, donc c'est ça la traduction qui est apparue en français. Voilà, bienvenue à l'école des affaires et de motivation de Cambis. Nous parlons de business, blablabla. Donc c'est ça. Donc si vous suivez ou vous regardez la vidéo et que il n'y a pas la traduction qui apparaît, vous activez simplement votre closed captions, sous-titres ici, et ça vient. Donc c'est ça. Quand j'appuie ici encore, ça disparaît. Voilà. J'appuie encore, ça réapparaît. Voilà. Donc c'est comme ça, il faut activer son sous-titre. Comme ça, vous aurez la traduction tranquillement. Merci et restez connectés.
Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back once again to this channel. Today episode is going to talk about local Bitcoin. Localbitcoins.com. I made a video where I talked about investing in cryptocurrencies rather than putting our money in dubious platforms that we don't control, or we don't even know people who are behind the platforms. So that was part one of eForex Bureau. Yes, so this in that video I talk about the eForex, and then there will be part 2 or even part 3. So here we have localbitcoins.com here, which works everywhere. It just works like offline Forex Bureau. Yes, where just like a market where you go, you have Siri, you want to take let's say dollar or euro or pounds, or you have pounds or dollar, you want to take Siri or naira or rands. So that's how it works. This place is cryptocurrencies. So the main coin here is Bitcoin. As you can see, they name it Bitcoins. So the main coin trading here is Bitcoin. How it works is simple. You are in total control of your money. Once you put some Bitcoin into your wallet here, it is for you, it is safe. it is there. If the Bitcoin takes value, it will increase. And when it comes to the exchanges, that's why I say, because I'm in Ghana, that's why it's showing this buy Bitcoin online in Ghana. I think there is another thing here. So we are in buy session, buy Bitcoin in Ghana. So you see those who are selling the Bitcoin and the price and the limit in between you can buy from them. So the minimum you can buy from this person, for instance, is 10 cedi, and the maximum is this. So that's the price he wants to sell his Bitcoin. Actually, this price is a little above the current Bitcoin price. So you see this one, what is proposing? This one, what is proposing? So this one, if you want to buy from this person, so these are the prices. So that is it. Buy Bitcoin online in Ghana. So the next section here is what? Sell Bitcoins online in Ghana. For instance, I have Bitcoins in my wallet on this platform and I need cash, urgent cash. Just like yesterday, I needed some cash. So quickly, I just look around, go through the best offer here, and then I just contact the person. I open a trade and quickly they send the money into my wallet, my mobile wallet, my MTN Momo. So quick. Once you contact the person and then you open the trade, you contact the person quickly. If you have Bitcoin in your wallet, you said it, you have a Bitcoin in your wallet. Once you open the trade, the person will send you the money. So the person will send you the money, and then you now release the Bitcoin. Actually, what happened? This platform works with escrow. So it works with escrow account. Once you open a trade, you are secure. You are protected. Yes, you are protected. I've been trading on this platform like that. So it's a manual trading, like offline Forex Bureau outside. So that's that's the kind of thing they brought onto this platform. So here we are buy. Here we are buy. So if you need Bitcoins, if I need Bitcoin and I want to buy some into my wallet, I'll just come here, look around, look through the list and see the best offer. Then I buy the Bitcoin, and then it will reflect in my wallet. So let's log in here so that you can see how the dashboard. Just a quick one before I even forget. Let's check the investment I made in Ada Cardano some month ago. In the previous video I mentioned that I was able to make more than 80%. So let's check quickly here where we are now. Ada Cardano. Okay, the price today is 2.11, which you see is more than 100%, because as it is, if I had to swap or exchange my ADA to get some dollar, I'll be around $211, something about with $100. So I'll now have $211. Even this one is because the price has dropped. Some few days ago it was around 3.02. Let's see where it has reached before getting back to this. Let's see the historical data for Ada Cardano. You see what I'm talking about. Here is Ada. I think we made our video somewhere here when it was 183 or so. From that moment, 214, 219, 244, 271, 292. So already at this point I was getting to 300%. 295, 295. Went to 3 point something somewhere. That's what I want to pull out, but it's not showing here. So basically that is what I talked about. We can still do cryptocurrencies. Why not? Make sure you secure some coins there for 3-6 months, and then you get some returns. Definitely you get some returns, you know. So here is it. 3rd September ADA went to 3.03. so at this point, if I change my ADA, which I bought with $100, I'll be around $300, you see, which is 200%, which is 200%, which is 200% at this time. 3rd September, if I swap my ADA or send my ADA to get some dollars, this is what I'll get: $300 with $100 investment within some, let's say 50 days or 55 days, within 2 months, 200%. So that's what I was talking about, guys. So there is hope. You just have to figure out what exactly to invest in, and then be quiet and leave this dubious platform and be free. You are in control of your money. Anytime I want to take my money, this or that about, anytime I want to swap it, I can swap it and take my money. Okay, so let's come back to the main issue, and then we see. Okay, two-factor authenticator. Good, here we are. So this is how the platform looks like. So I was showing this already. Buy Bitcoin online in Ghana because I'm in Ghana. Sell Bitcoins online in Ghana. Now this is the amount section. Be the currency. So if I want to buy, I can type the amount I want to buy here, and then I'll refresh it here. So it works in almost all the countries. See from here: Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria, all the way to here. These are the countries, plenty. So if you are, for instance, in, let's say, Gabon, you just click Gabon here and then you refresh. So you refresh, you see. So these are the people who have registered in Gabon to sell Bitcoins on this platform. Good. So let's see here, all offers. So these are some options for payment options. This we chosen all online offer. This all online offer. So you can choose Airtel Money if that is only your only means of payment or receiving a payment. So you can choose this one, or credit card, or international wire. So if that is the only payment you use, so you choose it. So people who are under that, people who purposely use this one are also pop up for you to choose. So once you choose that, you just have to refresh, then it will come. Good. So these are the for Gabon. Let me come back to here, Ghana. So for quick sell, this buy for quick sell. So you have this. Choose Ghana, and then I'll refresh here. So you see all the results. All the results. If I want to sell Bitcoin and take cash, so these are people who have registered to sell to buy Bitcoin. They registered to buy Bitcoin. So I am coming to sell, to take cash. That is it. Okay, so that is how the platform is structured for this portion. Now let's see. Here is, if you look at here, buy Bitcoins. So if it is buy Bitcoin, it will show you only buy Bitcoins. These are all, yeah, buy Bitcoins. So here, so sell Bitcoins also. So if I have Bitcoin I want to sell, so I click there, then I have people who are willing to buy Bitcoin so that I can sell. Here you have post a trade. So that will be, I think, the next section of this tutorial, how to post a trade, so that when someone comes to the platform, it can locate you, and if your offer is competitive enough, it can contact you and have a trade or a deal with you. That is post a trade. Learn, I think these are the information where you can when you come to this session, you see how to buy Bitcoin. So you see frequently asked questions, guys, webinars, contact support, blog, fees, and about us. So the fees, I think, transaction between or among the people on the platform, or transaction, I think they take 1% fee for trade. For any trade you make, 1% as a fee. But we'll come to that in our tutorial. So that is it. Here, these are notifications. There is something quite interesting here. What happened to our fees? Deposit fees gone. We have removed all deposit fees from incoming Bitcoin transactions to your local Bitcoin wallet. Why use local Bitcoin? We offer a free wallet, free deposit, free transaction between our users. So if I'm on this platform and another person too is this, we are all the same platform, and we make some transaction between between us, no fee, nothing, no charge. That's what they are saying. And also deposit fee, like, you know, some platform where you are depositing, you transfer Bitcoin or Ethereum from one wallet to another wallet. When you are depositing money in that wallet, there is a fee, a charge. Some percentage will be deducted from your money. So, but here on local Bitcoins, nothing of that sort. You just transfer money here, no fee. So that is the platform for you. That's how it works. Our terms and service has been updated. Please review changes. This one I'm not ready yet. So this is the notification section. So this is the my wallet. This is what I have my wallet. So if you click here, you see send Bitcoin, receive Bitcoins, transaction. So here, so if you want to send Bitcoin out this session, so you want to receive, you click here, transactions. So it to show all the transactions that you made recently. So these are the recent ones they show here. Yes, yesterday, the ones I was talking about yesterday, this amount, this is the day yesterday, 12 September. This one, I sent this one to receive some cash quickly. So that is wallet transactions. Here we have this. So this is my account settings. You have settings, you have dashboard. The dashboard, that is what they put again here. You have your amount in your wallet, that is it. Account security, so if you want to change password or whatever, here. Trusted, so this is some feedback people will leave, and as so far I've been quick interaction, so they put trusted for me. So support, if you want to contact support, you are here. Log out. So let's see our dashboard, what the dashboard looks like. Here's the dashboard. So as you can see, these are the trades that I opened, that I posted on the platform. See, these are the trade I posted. Like here, in Ghana, buying Bitcoin at this price, and I'm selling it at this price. You buy this price, you sell this price. You can see the difference. So if you sell small, it's money. Here I listed here somewhere where I think this one is Togo or Cote d'Ivoire or so. So I listed this one. I buy it safer, Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin at this amount, and then I will sell it at this amount. So that is the trade I posted. So this is open trade and advertisement. Okay, so that is it. All closed trades. So let's look at all closed trades. So that is all the trades are closed. See, there are many. Ciao. So I've made a lot of transactions here. This is only one page. The second page we have some few on it. Yes, from here. That is it. So that is all the closed trade that like selling and buying. So these are all closed trade. That is it. Is it completed? So this was all trade. So this completed. Completed is the one that matured, the one that the deal has been done. Release, Bitcoin release, Bitcoin release, Bitcoin release, Bitcoin release. And these ones are the cancel trades. Like you open the trade and then you want to cancel it, something comes to your mind, you want to change, so here quickly cancel it. Or if the person doesn't respond within some time frame, the trade cancel automatically. So that's how it is. So these are cancel trade. See, some cancel trade. So that is what we have here. I think just a presentation of the platform, how it works. Very, very secure platform, like I was saying. Let's open this person offer to see. So if I want to buy Bitcoin, so I come here, and then you can see buy Bitcoin using cash deposit. So MTN, Momo, Vodafone Cash, Ghana City. So the price, this is the price as at now. Method, payment method. So this is what he listed above with the same thing. The user name, that is his name. Trade limit. So you want to, if you want to buy Bitcoin, so you can buy from him. This person, you can buy from 40 Ghana City to 2,300. This limit. So less 40, the trade will not open. Above this amount, the trade will not open. And then these are the hours he works. So this is the hours he works. Sunday 0 to 24, 0 to 24. So you can see it works 24 hours. For instance, I have limit for my trade hours. So location, the person is Ghana. Payment windows 4 hours 30 minutes. So that's how he has made it. So if you open a trade, it can be there. It can respond you within this time limit. So that is, so you want to buy, you put your amount here, and then it will automatically convert to Bitcoin. It's a put, let's say 1,000 Ghana City. That is the equivalent of Bitcoin, I'll get this one. So I'll just add some message here to tell the person that okay, I've opened trade, and I want him to give me his wallet address or his Momo number. So he'll give me the number, and once he gives me the number, I'll open the trade. I'll open the trade. So I'll click here. Once I send I'll put the message here that I want to buy. He should give me the number. I'll click here. The message will go to him. Then he will respond. He will respond to me with the number that he can receive the money on. So I'll send the money. I'll send the money to my mobile wallet, 1,000 Ghana cedi to him. So once I done that, there is let me see this one for instance. I can open this one. Let me see. Hi, I want BTC 1,000 Ghana cedi. So please give me your Momo number. See, then I'll open trade here. So when I open trade here, you see, yes, open trade. You see, come. So this is a message. This message has been sent to him. So what's going to happen is that here, the reference message must be included. The seller can identify payment. So there is a reference number here that normally when I'm sending the money to him, I'll put this reference in the message so that he can refer to. So method MTN Momo, Vodafone Cash, pay by MTN Mobile Money by giving your number and allow cash out. So you see, so he will respond to me and give me the number. So once he gives me the number, I'll just send him the number. You see here. So once I open trade like this, if the person has Bitcoin in his wallet, that is how the platform works. If the person has Bitcoin in his wallet, because before you can post a trade, you should have Bitcoin in your wallet before you can open, before you can post a trade. So once I've done this, I open a trade. They will take the amount. They will take this Bitcoin from his wallet to escrow account. So it will be there. So after I send the money to him through Momo, through Vodafone Cash or MTN Mobile Money, after I send the money to him, what I'll do is that I'll press here that I have paid. Understand? If you haven't paid that, you don't press here. You pay, you have proof that you are paid, because when you pay, there is a message from MTN that you have cash out. So after that, you press here to say that you are paid. So immediately you've done that. Is at this point, immediately you done this, they will take the amount of Bitcoin, this one, from his wallet to escrow account. You understand? So when he receives the money, he will confirm from his end. He also confirm that, oh yes, he received the money. So as soon as he does that, then they will release the Bitcoin onto your wallet. So your wallet will change. The amount, this 0.003 will come in addition to what I have here. So once I open trade, this for instance, and it's ongoing now, I can cancel it here, resolving trade issues. I can cancel the trade here, canceling the trade. So I can cancel the trade here if I see that no, I can't buy 1,000 guys. I should buy maybe 2,000, or I should buy 500. I can cancel this one and open another one. So that is how it works here. You understand? So just have to cancel this one. Cancel trade. That's all. Yes, you confirm that you cancel the trade, so that the person will not bother to contact you or whatsoever. That's all. Cancel that trade. Period. trade cancel. So that is how it works. Same thing with selling. If you are selling Bitcoin, so you come, so you open trade, and that the person will now, you open trade, because you open trade, you have Bitcoin in your wallet before you can open trade. So once you open the trade, they will take the Bitcoin from your wallet to escrow account. So once the person sends you the money, you have the money in your wallet, then you confirm release Bitcoin on the platform, release, then the escrow account will release the Bitcoin to the person. That is how it is structured. So on this person platform, so yeah, you see the feedback with the person. You see me here, the score people give him so far you see the score. So to check who you are trading with or who you are dealing with, you can see the feedback people have given on him here. See feedback. So trust Ganabit. So seller escrow release time medium 4 minutes, average 13 minutes. So this person is quick to sell, is quick to respond to trade. So you see, so these are the details on him. And the real trade volume so far, the number of confirmed trade, 500 plus confirmed trade. So you can imagine. That's why I'm saying that if you are this platform, you put your money here, it's secure, you can do your trade and make money. Once the Bitcoin is on this platform, it takes value. You know that you get some returns when the Bitcoin takes value. At the same time, you'll be trading here and then you make money. People will come, you sell Bitcoin, you buy it from another person less, you sell it, then you make your profit. So this is how this platform is, and I think it's quite okay for me. I've been trading here for a while, and I know what I'm talking about. So the person, this is the username. If you click on it, it will take you to the person detail. Yes, Ganabit, trade volume this, and this is what we see. You see the real name of the person somewhere, email address, verify, phone number verify, trusted by 17 people and blocked by 1 person. Maybe something happens. You see, that's why the score is 97%. So someone blocks him because of maybe some misunderstanding. So that is him. That is him. So the feedback, some of them, yeah. But you see the amount of trading he has made on this platform. And imagine, with 444 different partners, of which you are one. Yes, I'm also I bought from him. I made some transaction with him, and his language is French. That is it. I think there is somewhere you can see the person's name. So here's what he said. He can sell. So you are coming to buy, so you can buy from him. The same way you can sell. If you have Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin to him. So that is what he has. So he buys and then he sells. He buys and sells. So that is Ganabit. I think the name, they normally give the name, the real name should be showing somewhere. Real name verification. Zero rejected. Real name verification. Let me see. That is my name. That is my name, and some transaction I made with him. How localbitcoin.com protects you. The Bitcoins are locked in escrow account, escrow protection. Like I said, localbitcoin.com. After you make the request, pay the invoice, mark it as paid, and then the seller will release the Bitcoin when the seller sees the payment received on the account. So note, you currently can only request an escrow up to 0.01. More than that, not sure. You'll be able to buy more once you gain trade reputation. Okay, the sellers specify the limit. So that is the escrow accounts for you. I just want to show where you can get. That's his WhatsApp. If you can't send a message directly here, you can contact him on WhatsApp. So basically, that is what I want to show in this tutorial. This a very good platform where you can also make some money. You can make some money here. Local bitcoins is everywhere. If I want to sell, I want to register in America, I can register there as a trader and post trade, you know, and post trade and make money everywhere. You can just where you can get the Bitcoin to buy at some low price. Even, you know, some people they sell below because they need cash. They will sell below the current price of the Bitcoin. So when you have that opportunity, you buy, and then you sell it later, and you make you make some money. That is how it is. So once you selected the country, you refresh here so that it will show the page. Yes, yeah. That is people who have registered there in the US to sell Bitcoin. All these people, yeah. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you will not miss the next video on GIS, which will show how to post a trade and the rate, how you can actually adjust your rate to be competitive, and then all of that. So subscribe and activate the notification bell. Don't forget to like, share, and if any question, drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Keep safe.